is for units, like UTI, mutual funds units. Just remember A, like OA. Okay, mutual fund UTI units, where 10% is deducted. If it exceeds 5,000. This 5,000 and all I to remember, but this 10% and all I will tell how to remember. These sections anyway you are going to remember now only at this point. 194 LA compulsory acquisition of immobile property. LA compulsory acquisition of immobile property by government. LA
By government.
not government, just I am saying like to remember.
Land.
Immobile property, just remember land. LA compulsory acquisition. It's like compulsory acquisition. LA land. This is basically by government and 10% of the sale amount and 2.5 if it crosses 2,50,000. If it is rural or urban agriculture land, no rules. 10% I will say percentage how to remember, but just remember section 194 LA compulsory acquisition of immobile property. Immobile property means land. Land means LA. 194 LA. 10%. 2,50,000. Basically, government is deducting TDS. Therefore, if it's less amount also TDS is deducted. But land is like huge. But just remember 2.5 lakhs.
Where any person?
Sorry.
Where any person?
10% I don't know. I remember. Compulsory acquisition అంటే గవర్నమెంట్ చేస్తుంది మన దగ్గర నుంచి. అచ్చా ఎనీ పర్సన్ నేను కూతున్నా గవర్నమెంట్ అని చెప్పాను. జస్ట్ ఫర్ యువర్ రిమెంబర్, నాట్ ఫర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ డన్ బై గవర్నమెంట్. Compulsory acquisition is basically done by government, but just remember government for remembering the section, not for government. Only government is doing it. 194 IC. You have IC? 194 IC is like Indira Colony, Joint Development Agreement. Consideration for the agreement, Joint Development Agreement. It is basically Joint Development Agreement. If it is in kind, no TDS. If it is in cash, 10% TDS directly without any amount. How you need to remember is Indira Colony, Joint Development Agreement of Indira Colony IC. 194 IC. Joint Development Agreement. I think here you have the English. They'll give the printouts. Here you have like how to remember also. You can go to this. 194 is if is any problem in the book you have already read. This is easy. You continue this. If 30 you just continue. Don't change the book in the last one. Okay. Now you will read after me telling you to read NBS, TDS, TCS. Then just mark what are the points you did not understand. Just mark in the book. Because if you want this, they will give the points. 194 IC done. 194 IE. For rent there are two sections, 194 I and 194 IB. Rent, you have two sections. Here rent, plant and machinery and land building. Plant and machinery and building. Plant and machinery 2%, building 10%. Here rent 194 I and IB. IB is like plan B. Plan B for government. IB. Plan B for government. How to remember I'm saying. IB is plan B. Where just remember this house rent. This house basically it may be like more than 50,000. The owner of this will be the TDS portion because it is more than 50,000. If you cross 50,000, TDS need to be deducted. Per month 50,000. This is for basically of individuals 194 rent for sections 194 I and 194